Welcome to RK's Digital Training. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do concatenation. So what do you mean by concatenation? So concatenation means combining two cells. That means you can join whatever the number of cells you wanted to join, you can join together and display. Say for example, in my Excel spreadsheet I have last name and first name got displayed, but I wanted to see the name of the person. For example, Shrikant is the first name, last name is Nallani. So I wanted to display the name as Shrikant Nallani in this particular cell. So how do I do it? So to do that, what you have to do is select the particular cell where you wanted to display and is equal to, and select the value. First value is first name, and use a symbol called ampersand shift 7, and then select the next value and click on enter. Shrikant Nallani has come. So if you wanted to apply the same kind of formula to the next row, just do Control D. Automatically, if you press Control D, automatically the corresponding formula will get applied. So here you can drag this way also, automatically everything will get displayed in the same manner. Say for example, if you wanted to do more than one or two cells, say for example now we have joined two cells, now I wanted to do with three. So how do I do it? Is equal to, select the first one and ampersand, and the second cell ampersand, and the third one. So name with contact. So if you look at here, automatically everything in the same manner it got displayed. So you can apply the same formula for the subsequent one. So if you just drag like this, or else you can use Control D option to get it displayed. So this is one way of doing. So generally people may get a doubt, there is no space between Shrikant Nallani. See, if you see, there is no space between the first name and the last name. So to do that, what we have to do is go to that ampersand symbol. Once you select here, go to formula bar, use a space using double quotes, give a space, double quotes, and again give ampersand, and then press enter. Automatically you will see a space. Now apply the same formula, automatically you will be able to see that got applied to all the cells. Similarly you can do it for the rest. Now I will show you one more way of doing the same thing using the formula. Say for example, if you select this cell, just press is equal to, you will have an option called concatenation. See, concatenate, and here you wanted to select the first one, comma, second one, comma, and the third one. So you can do either of the ways whatever I have shown. So based upon your comfort level, you can make use of the built-in function which is available, or you can make use of ampersand symbol to join cells. Thank you for watching.